Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic that becomes even more important during the holidays, the 12 love scams of the season, and how to outsmart them, stay sane, and protect your heart. These holidays can make people hopeful, nostalgic, and sometimes even lonely. And that's exactly when emotional manipulation becomes more common. But when you understand the patterns, the psychology, and the red flags, you become harder to fool, harder to use, and easier to love by the right people. So let's talk about the 12 love scams to avoid this holiday season. Ready? Number 1, the sudden sweetness scammer. If someone becomes extremely sweet overnight, especially in December, it's not romance, it's strategy. Love bombing is designed to disarm you quickly. Real connection, remember, doesn't rush. It unfolds. When affection feels forced, pause. 2, the plane ticket drama. The classic, I want to see you for Christmas, but I can't afford the ticket. Real people find solutions. Scammers find excuses. Love doesn't invoice you for airfare. 3, the emergency lover. Every day is a new crisis. Lost wallet, hospital bill, blocked account. Urgency is the oldest emotional manipulation technique. Love, take note, should calm your life, not complicate it. 4, the gift and ghost pattern. They appear when gifts are coming and disappear right after. If someone's presence is tied to benefits, it's not a relationship, it's a pattern. Break it before it breaks you. 5, the digital lover without a face. Weeks of chatting but no video call? Always bad signal? Shy? Or not camera ready? Affection without visibility is not intimacy. It's a script. 6, the wish list manipulator. If conversations lead to what they want you to buy, your role isn't partner, it's provider. Generosity is beautiful, but not when it's extracted. Take note, love should never feel like a shopping cart. 7, the loneliness mirror. Some people don't connect, they imitate. They mirror your emotions to gain access. It feels intimate, but it's engineered. Take note, real understanding doesn't rush to match you perfectly. It grows with time. 8, the future faker. Let's travel, let's move in, let's get married. All said too soon. Scammers sell futures to control your present. Take note, a real future requires real timelines. 9, the soulmate manipulator. I'm the only one who truly gets you. Isolation disguised as destiny. Take note that anyone who replaces your support system is a threat, not a partner. For love expands your world, it doesn't shrink it. 10, the emotional tenant. They move into your life emotionally, financially, or physically, but contribute nothing. They don't want love, they want comfort. So take note, set boundaries. Success and love must be earned. 11, the vague holiday partner. They act like your partner but avoid labels. They want the benefits of commitment without the responsibility. If clarity makes someone uncomfortable, they're not ready, nor serious. 12, the post-New Year breaker. Some people stay for the warmth of the holidays and leave when real life returns because what they offered was seasonal, not sincere. Take note, in these cases, you didn't lose love. You escaped inconsistency. Love is not supposed to drain you, confuse you, or rush you. Love is supposed to be safe, steady, and honest. This holiday season, protect your peace, guard your heart, and give your affection to people who earn it, not people who exploit it. So we wish everyone happy holidays, and from Housing Interactive, you deserve clarity, you deserve consistency, you deserve real love. See you on your next purchase.